Hello again from Aqueduct Marina. This is our newest boat onto brokerage, Alice Kathleen, 60-foot cruiser stern, built in 2005 by Liverpool Boats and fitted out by Liverpool Boats. As we enter on the stern, we go into a lovely galley area, wooden worktops. It's also fitted out perfectly for constant cruising. We've got a washing machine and a fridge, 12-volt fridge with icebox compartment. There is a stunning Pullman. As you can see, all the woodwork is all oak, absolutely exquisite. We do have a Arrow multi-fuel stove, all the way through the saloon, all the way to the back of the boat, where it's fully carpeted. Then into the toilet, we've got an ocean pump out, brand new in 2015, with 215 litre waste tank. And then got a lovely glass shower with a glass sliding door. Then through into the bedroom, we've got a fixed double, plenty of space for clothes and storage, and then through to the bow of the boat. As I said, it's a 60-foot cruiser stern, priced up at $58,950. If you would like to contact brokerage, we can make an appointment.